Hey everyone, this is Michael Trithart, International Technology Instructor, and we have a powerful class coming to Greenville, Texas on September 1st. And this is Create a YouTube Channel to Power Your Business. The course is going to be presented by Money Law Firm. We do have a sponsor. Drew McIntyre is going to help to sponsor this with Stone Lake Mortgage. And the session is going to be from 11:30 a.m. until 2 p.m. The 11:30 to noon aspect, that is going to be lunch. So lunch is going to be provided. Then from 12 to 2, it's a 2-hour-long CE course on creating your YouTube channel. As we all know in the real estate world, video is huge. And having the proper setup on your YouTube channel is going to be a night and day difference for your business. So bring your laptop, come in, learn how to set up your YouTube channel. Also, we're going to talk about the videos themselves, what works, the thumbnails, what works for those, tons of stuff that's going to help you to power up your business with video. So I hope to see you in Greenville on September 1st. Thanks.